What's up guys, it's Jason and today we're going to be teaching you how to get the book wings, the motherboard visor, and the classic PC hat. So first what you gotta do, I'll send the link in the description to this game. You have to go into this game called Roblox Creator Challenge. It's an event, guys. It's an event and you just have to do it. So I don't know, but I only made my Roblox account last year, so I don't know all these Roblox questions. So first what you gotta do is go in challenge 1. I even know these things because I only made my account last year. So let's go. All of the code for the project needs to be typed. I don't know. Yeah, no, I don't know. I already seen this one. Yeah. Code. Yeah. And when you get the badge, but I already have this, so it doesn't show up the badge. But I already completed it. And now you get that, but I already made it, so you don't get it. And the same is this. Oh, look. And you get it, but guys, should we do this on an alt account? But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, but then when you make it, this will happen. You'll just have this in your inventory. These 3 things. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Bye.